Good boy. That time you did. Give him a little seesaw there. We're going to be a little tougher on him than we were on Tuesday. Just a little bit. Good. Lift your hand again. Good boy. Right there. Good job. Just remember to keep your pockets down and your weight down in the saddle when you lift. And then when you return your hands, go ahead and put them a little closer to the saddle horn, so you don't have to quite reach so far forward. There you go. That's good. See, that works fine. Good. Ask him to jog. 2 clucks. Good boy. Good job. Put your right leg on him a little there. Ask him to turn. Your outside leg. There you go. Don't let him suck you over to that rail. Make sure that shoulder comes over. Good. Good job. Lift right there. Might have to seesaw there. Back to him again. Lift again. That's better. Good job. Lift again. So anytime he looks up, you better be lifting and saying, hey, listen to me.
Sorry, man, come to your video.
Oh, you're fine.
Good practice for him.
Good. Lift again. Good job. Good job. Good, Gerald. Lift again right there. Lift forward a little bit. Put your hand, put your hands forward and up just a little bit. There you go. Now seesaw right there. Ask him to come in a little further. Oh gosh. Good. Go ahead and ask him to walk. Hello? It is. I'm good. How are you doing? Well, I know what we're going to do. The problem is I don't have a class count exactly for you yet. We're getting the schedule finished up, and we should be done with that by Monday. And then I'll give you a call. All right? Cool, thanks. Bye-bye. All right, let's ask him to low. Very gently, right leg. Okay, stop him and restart him. It wasn't too bad, but he can do better. Give him a little seesaw there. Ask him again. A little better. He's turning him just a little too much there. Lift your hand. Good. Not necessarily in time like that. I want you to lift it and hold it there for 2 strides. So lift your hand for 2 strides, up and forward. There you go. Good. Let go. Good job. Hands down. Hands down. Good. Now do it again. Okay, now seesaw in there because he took off when your hands went up. That's silly. Good. Lift it again. Good. And again. Ask him to slow down this time. Little leg. Little seesaw. Sit down, sit down. Use your leg and seesaw him. Right, left, push. Right, left, push. Get his nose in a little more. We're going to roll him together there. There you go. That's better. That's better. Now lift your hand again. Now he should come back to you there, so be a little meaner with your hands. Seesaw, seesaw. Good. Good. Have the confidence to do the same thing at the lope as you do at the jog. Lift your hand again. Good. Good boy. Drop it. Good boy. Very nice. Good. Lift again right there because he kind of squirted around on you, huh? Oh, just sit and cue. Did you tell him to walk? Okay, get him back into the lope. Hurry. You're not allowed to walk for 3 strides if you didn't tell him to. He's not even allowed to walk for 1. Good. Little seesaw and a push. Right there. Now hands up. Good. Good job. Good. Lift again. Good. Now pick him up a bit. Seesaw there. That's better. W-A-L-K. Good boy. Give him a pet. That's pretty nice. Except for, stopping on his own. It was a beautiful transition. I don't know if you said something to him or what, but